What up mga subscribers, no guys, no, ang tagal din nating walang video po talaga guys, no, as in, no, sobrang tagal, no, nagkasakit ako guys, no, as in, nagkasakit po tayo, nakakalungkot, isang malungkot na balita. Sobra, no, as in, iba, dumating sa point guys na kahit gabing-gabi na, naka-on yung AC, diba, yung aircon guys, no, tapos, nagkumot na ako lahat-lahat, pinatayan namin yung aircon, tapos, nag-jacket na ako, nag-long sleeve na ako. Hindi nilalamig pa rin ako guys, no, as in. Tapos parang may yellow yung binti ko, tsaka yung siko ko, lahat ng joints guys. Grabe, talagang sobrang iba yung pakiramdam ko that time guys, no. Kaya ayun, minabuti ko na lang na talagang uminom ng gamot at magpahinga po, no. Umabsent tayo guys, and ayun, dumating naman sa point na kahit na paano, ito medyo okay na ako, no? Akala ko iba siya guys, no, kasi may nagsabi nga na baka dengue daw po yun or what, no, diba, no. Pero buti naman guys, no? Thank God, hindi siya dengue, no, kasi nawala din agad yung sakit ko guys, no? Okay, so ayun lang guys, no. Atra, bagong simulan pala to guys, no? Very big shoutout muna kay Miss O, no? Okay guys, so kanya po itong video na papanoorin natin guys, no. So kanya po ito guys, ha. Tiyan natin yung mga updates sa ating mahal Lima, no? So, congratulations guys, ha, sa concert ng SB19. Napakasulit guys. Nabalitaan na sa ating mga solid na kaibigan, no? Let's go. Solid daw po na concert ng SB19. Okay. Itong, natin guys, no? Isa-isahin natin, no? Okay. Ito po yung SB19 collabs with the popular international online game, the Honor of Kings. So, tara.
SB19 collabs with popular international online game, sings Honor of Kings' newest song, Rise for Honor. This is such a huge revelation. Honor of Kings, a popular international multiplayer online game, has dropped a new song, Rise for Honor, in honor for their International Championship 2025 this November 14. Now listen to the song and you will know that it's SB19's vocals.
We got the confidence, let us step it up, be ready all the time. Now, take a breath, you know, take it smoother than this, you gon' pay the price. Casting off the shadows, yeah, I'm on my way. Stand against the fate, we won't be the same, steep.
Another international collab with SB19 and the song and vocals definitely slay. Iba talaga ang SB19, tahimik lamang pero bigla-biglang may malaking ganap. Right?
So sa mga solid 18 dyan guys, in-expect nyo ba na mangyayari to? In-expect nyo ba? I think iba, no, na predict or what, no? Pero nakabigla talaga, no? Kung baga humble lang sila, no? I think kung hindi nyo malalaman, kung hindi magre-release po siguro Honor of Kings, no? Hindi natin malalaman, no? So ganyan ka-humble na SB19, no? Hindi nila kailangan ipagmalaki pa po kung ano yung mga achievements nila, no? Hayaan na lang nilang may mga tao mismo makapuna, no?
New international collab pa. Now visit Honor of Kings' Rise for Honor music video. The link is pinned on the comment section.
Panoodaan niyo guys. Ako guys, pag online games na mobile guys, no, mas ewan ko lang guys, ano ba ang Honor of Kings, no? Wait lang, check natin. Mobile game pala siya guys, no? So sa cellphone siya guys, no. Kayo ba, ano ba nilalaro niyo madalas sa mobile phone niyo guys, no? Ako guys, Mobile Legends talaga legit guys, no. Nilalaro, sobrang tutuwa ako sa Mobile Legends guys. Naglalaro na ako before, pero ano yun, na-enjoy ko siya ngayon, no. Dati kasi hindi ko siya ma-enjoy kasi sobrang busy tayo. Ngayon naman, busy pa rin tayo, pero not to the point na super duper busy po, no? Okay, tara, tingin pa tayo ng mga updates guys, na
Named by popular international online game Honor of Kings as official music artist for KIC 2025.
So pinangalanan na pala talaga sila.
Finally, the Honor of Kings, a popular international online mobile game, has revealed SB19 as their official music artist for KIC 2025 or Kings International Championship, a major esport tournament for Honor of Kings. And according to this article from All Star, Kings Meet Kings, SB19 will perform at Honor of Kings KIC 2025. SB19, the kings of P-pop, are lending their voices to one of the grandest stages in mobile gaming, the Honor of Kings International Championship or KIC 2025. The Filipino powerhouse quintet Pablo, Josh, Justin, Stel, and Ken will headline the tournament's official soundtrack, bringing their signature sound and energy to KIC 2025. SB19's upcoming anthem, featured in the cinematic trailer Rise for Honor, teases a track that embodies what both the group and the game stand for: discipline, pride, and the will to rise.
Ooh.
The full song is set to drop soon, but already it's shaping up to be a rallying cry.
Okay guys, no. Una-una sa lahat guys, no, for me. Isa sa magandang move pag gusto nyo mag-advertise ng isang produkto nyo, ng isang game, or kung ano man guys, no. SB19 is a very fitting endorser po talaga guys. For me, this is just my own opinion. Una sa lahat, ano bang hilingin nyo sa isang endorser? Syempre, pag mga pag mga performance guys, no, gustong-gusto natin guys alive. So syempre, isa sa nagpapabuhay ng isang event, guys, sa totoo lang, yung sayaw guys, yung sayaw. Sobrang nakapagpabuhay po talaga ang sayaw ng isang event po, no. Ang SB19 guys, sumasayaw guys. Kaya sobrang buhay na buhay po talaga yan ang performance nyo pag halimbawang SB19 ang kinuha nyo, no. Tapos pangalawa guys, kumakanta po sila, no. Kaya isa pa yun sa mga solid na mga traits ng SB19, no, kung bakit sila talaga solid na na endorser. Kasi all-in-one na po talaga sila guys, as in lahat na po nasa kanila. And don't know lang guys kung sila rin yung sumulat ng kanta, or I think nag-ambag sila, or music production or what, no. Pero guys, believe me, hands-on ng SB19 pagdating sa mga ganyan. Hindi nila hayaan na magre-release sila ng isang endorsement or kung ano man na not to the point na hindi nila magugustuhan. Hindi magugustuhan ng mga tao. I think gusto nila, magugustuhan din ng mga tao po talaga na legit taong legit. Mga legit fans sa SB19 is magugustuhan din. No? Pero for me naman guys, no, hindi naman nahaya ng SB19 na mangyari yun, no, na hindi magustuhan ng mga tao. Kaya hands-on sila na, okay?
Popular esport players get excited with SB19 on Honor of Kings KIC 2025. Aside from 18 who are excited and happy for SB19 being the official music artist of Honor of Kings International Championship 2025, many popular Pinoy esport players are also sharing this good news. We have Blacklist International and many more.
Yeah, we esport Blacklist, Spaghetti, H2O, yan, makakilala ko yung mga pangalan nila. KCB.
Now here's a trivia. Did you know that when Honor of Kings made a survey as to the music artist who should perform the KIC 2025 theme song, majority of the players answered SB19. Here's a comment from an Honor of Kings player. And before pa yan na-announced, Honor of Kings main page posted a question or survey asking us, all the players, kung sino ang gusto ng lahat na music artist na magpe-perform for the KIC theme song and to represent the Philippine teams through music as well. And most of the players suggested the SB19, which was agreed by the majority of the players by spamming the same comments. And with this, we can say SB19 is well appreciated even with esport players.
Actually guys, no, kung talagang alam nyo yung craft nyo, kung alam nyo yung, alam mo yun, paano ba? Yung tamang, hindi ko na kung paano explain, pero yung mamuhay ba ng tama? Yung alam mo may direction ka, may passion ka, yung hindi ka to the point na bara-bara lang yung ginagawa sa buhay. Diba? Kung alam mo may direction yung buhay mo, yung tipong gumagawa ka ng mga bagay na tama, no, na talagang pinaghihirapan mo, no. Alam mong SB19 is sila yung grupo na talagang very fitting sa mga ganyang klaseng bagay, no. Kasi ma-appreciate mo yung art nila, ma-appreciate mo yung kanta nila, no? Talagang makaka-relate ka, no? Ala, oo nga, no, nakaka-relate nga tayo sa ganito, no? Pero kung halimbawang sarado ang utak mo, like, sobrang ano ka lang, yung mga bara-bara lang yung ginagawa mo sa buhay. Believe me guys, hindi ma-appreciate ng SB19. Yung mga nakaka-appreciate sa SB19 most of the time guys, yung mga tao talaga na gumagawa ng kanilang pangalan sa mundo, no, sa kung saan man guys, sa larangan, no? Sa kahit ano man larangan guys, no? So ganyan na SB19 na. So and guys, sinabi ko sa inyo, no, very fitting SB19 na maging endorser po talaga, no? Kasi una sa lahat, pwede sila maging endorser ng as international artist, no? Alam niyo ba international artist ang SB19, no? Tapos to the point na pag nirepresent ng Pilipinas ang Hall Honor of Kings, no? Syempre SB19, and then tatanungin nila, oh, SB19 pala kumanta ng team song nyo, no? Swerte nyo naman, no? International artist nyo yan, di ba? No? So, napaka-solid po, no? So, isa yan sa mga magandang traits ng SB19. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat po na itong video na to. At the same time, congratulations syempre ulit sa SB19 no? Sa napakaraming achievements na natatanggap nila ngayon, no? And sa solid na concert nila, no? So, maraming salamat. So, DC Point of View signing out. Peace. Let's see.